This is a quick video. With everything that's going on worldwide, it kind of took everybody out of their comfort zone and not doing everything that is of the norm. I couldn't go to the gym like everybody else, like I usually would do. And I worked out at home. And it's amazing that last year I went from 223 pounds. And now, from working out at home, just doing my workouts at home, I got my best results. I'm now 180 pounds. And I haven't weighed this since high school. I just wanted to do this video real quick to say that sometimes certain things will feel not normal, uncomfortable. We just have to do the best we can to adjust and keep going forward. Also, 2015 for me was a pivotal year to present, because I rebuilt my credit, went through some things, rebuilt my life. So I just wanted to drop this quick nugget to anyone. Just get started. Just get started any way you can. Go to a bank, open up an account, have a stream of income. Open up a line of credit. Start to build your financial blocks. Have a checking, have a savings account. And start building from there. And make sure your utilization is right. Make your payments on time. And just get the accounts that will fit you. Not from what myself or anyone else would say. Get accounts that would fit your style and go from there. I just wanted to share this with you while I was out here. It just came to my mind. Redesign, rebuild, reclaim.